Wikipedia just published a list of the signs of AI writing, and it's probably the best one out there. Their moderators are brutal. It's quite in-depth, but let me run you through the main 10 or so big giveaways that someone used ChatGPT or similar to write for them. First is language and tone. AI loves to make everything sound important, whether it is or not. It does this with a small set of overblown phrases, continues to captivate, profound heritage. And this links to the next point, which is promotional language. So AI struggles to stay neutral. You get all this unqualified hype like breathtaking, rich, unique characteristics. And the problem isn't the words themselves, they're great, but it's using them with zero explanation or evidence. Then there's editorializing. That means slipping in your own take instead of sticking to the facts. Now that's fine when you do that from your point of view. That's what can make great writing. But the problem is when AI does it, it's mimicking having an opinion or its own take. So it's just empty waffle that means nothing. It's a very obvious sign. Negative parallelisms are another one. These are sentences like, not only is it hot, but sometimes it is cold. And they pop up a lot in AI text. They're clunky for readers anyway. They are a classic sign of AI. Superficial analyses are another giveaway. AI loves to tack on a vague opinion after a fact, like this one, and often in this exact structure, as if it's adding this extra insight, but again, it's usually just made up without evidence or real value. Emojis, obviously, particularly in subheadings and bullet points, like what's with that? It does that a lot, like no human. Also, overuse of M dashes. Now, yes, people have made the point that that's just correct writing, but AI just uses them way more than most people who would normally use brackets or commas in the same situation. Curly quotation marks. So when you type quotation marks on your keyboard, single or double, they are always straight. Now, apps like Microsoft Word autocorrect them to be curly, so maybe someone just used Microsoft Word, but AI uses curly quotation marks a lot, like most of the time, so that can be a sign, but a real tell is when it switches between curly and straight in the same piece of writing. Sometimes AI-generated text still contains the model's setup language, like as an AI language model, but also more subtle things like, in this section, we'll discuss the, and that's just one of the strongest signs of AI writing. Formatting quirks can also give it away, like this broken markdown from AI trying to make it bold or italic, leftover OAI tags in cited links, or this is a really good one, URLs ending in UTM source equals chatgpt.com or Claude.ai or whatever. Now, they're just trying to be helpful in terms of click tracking, but if you copy and paste from like ChatGPT or other AI systems, they're in there and they are giving the game away. And then there are sudden shifts in style, like suddenly having 100% perfect grammar and then not, or switching between American English and British English mid-text. Very easy to spot.